It might be a complete flop. It might be a complete success. It's so cool. Hey Flower Stuffers, it's Jessica with Solar University, and today I have a special guest helping me out. It is my husband.
Hi.
Today we are going to be doing something special, and I'm hoping that it turns out okay. We're going to be trying this idea that I have for a bouquet holder that you can hang on the wall, and I'm going to be using him as my part of my hand mold. So we'll see how this goes. It might be a complete flop. It might be a complete success. So let's go. So shall we get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So the idea here, before we begin, I should probably go into what the idea is.
That'd be a great thing to start with.
So I'm gonna take this, and the idea, hopefully it works, is we're gonna take a hand casting and we're gonna stick our hands in together.
Like so.
Like so. I've got a bouquet that we're gonna go and grab and make sure it fits in. Stick it in there and do the hand cast mold. And then we're gonna stick a screw into the hand cast mold so that way we can screw it into this board and hang it on the wall. So hopefully
this works.
We're gonna see. So I'm gonna go grab my bouquet real fast. Okay, I'm back with my bouquet. So let's go and look at the instructions first and see what we need to do. Because I know you have to mix it and set it up first before you
put your hands in it.
Yes. The first thing is you take the step 1 molding powder and you add it to this water, which we pre-measured out. And then you mix it for 90 seconds. Do you want to grab a 90-second timer?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me pull that out real quick.
Because you're supposed to mix it exactly. 90 seconds. Oh.
90 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright. Tell me when.
Okay. I just start it as soon as I pour the powder in.
Okay.
I think I was supposed to do that all at once.
10 seconds remaining. Alright, go. Alright. Go.
Alright. Okay, so it's...
Okay, I think so.
Okay.
It's just all. This doesn't work. Just maybe just hands. This is yours.
Alright, we're gonna try and pull my hands out.
Very carefully. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. At the wrist. Just trying to break that suction. There you go. There's a little poppy feeling. Ah. There you go.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Move your wrist. Once you start moving your wrist a little bit and getting the air in there, that's when it starts.
I know, I felt the pop when you got loose. A little spot we'll probably have to touch up later.
Probably. Oh man. Oh man.
Overall?
I think we might be okay.
Yeah.
I think we might be okay.
It said 3 to 5 minutes in the instructions. Here we are, 15 minutes later.
Oh man. Oh man. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back. So we're gonna go ahead and mix up the casting stone portion. And I've read the directions, so I actually know what I'm doing now. So what we're gonna do is stick on these fancy gloves they provide you. And then I need a 1-minute timer. So my husband off screen is gonna set the 1-minute timer for me. Okay, you ready? Okay. We're supposed to just kind of mix this around, let the water soak in. Okay. So what you're supposed to do next is pour a third in and then settle it in. So pour a little bit on that side, put on that side. See if I can get it all little. Here, we're gonna see that. Alright. I think that's as good as it's getting. Alright. Now I'm supposed to let it set for 2 to 3 hours. So we'll be back in 2 to 3 hours. Alright. It's been about 3 hours. So we're going to go ahead and release it from the form and see how it goes. So I'm going to use a butter knife. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on out.
Okay.
It is saying to turn the bucket upside down.
Give it a couple of pats. There it is.
I got it. Man. Okay. Start slowly pulling away pieces. So we're gonna hopefully get to see our statue here soon. Oh my gosh. Zach, this looks so awesome. I'm so excited. Oh! Okay, I've never done this before. And so this is like, I'm trying so hard to be gentle. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they can see it. Can you like tilt the camera down so they can see it? This is so cool. This is so awesome. Does it sound freaking cool? Okay, guys, I'm an art nerd, okay? I just get really excited about these kinds of things.
You an art nerd? No.
Yeah. Alright. Hey guys, I'm back after 7 days. We've let it dry real nice and good, and I wanted to show you guys. I went ahead and stuck the bouquet in the stone already and got it all ready for what we're about to do. And I just want to give you a quick preview because I'm really excited about this. This is looking really awesome. And I'm going to show you. Let's see. It would probably be about right there. But like, look. That's so awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly, before I glue this on, I'm going to go and stick some nails in the back of here. Now because my bouquet has volume all the way around, I'm going to stick some nails that stick out a little bit and tie some string behind that, so that way when I hang it on the wall, the bouquet isn't squished up against the wall and it's got some space to live behind the wood on the wall. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave about a little bit out of the wood and then tie the string on there, and that's where it's going to hang on the wall from there. So I've added my nails to the back and I've tested some stain on the back, and I think it's going to look really nice stained. So I'm actually going to quickly stain the front of it real fast before we glue the hands on here. Stained wood is so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go wash up and I'll be back. Now, after staining this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, which I'm gonna stick it on there like that. This is gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. So, placing it approximately where I want it. Okay, I'm gonna stick this under the bouquet. And now this is supposed to dry for about 24 hours. So I'm gonna let it sit like this for a little bit and then come back later and we'll get to hang it up. So, see you in a bit. I hope you enjoyed this really unique bouquet holder. As far as I know, I don't think there's any other bouquet holder like this out there. I am really happy with the way it turned out, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And until next time, stay creative. Bye!